So, welcome in my channel. Welcome to my channel. So, today's vlog, magliligpit ako ng aming mga gamit. Mag-organize tayo. Actually, magde-declutter ako nito. So, ngayon, kuha tayo ng garbage bag. How are you guys? By the way, first, sana may maganda kayong day to day. Today, madami akong gagawin actually. I'm going to be the organizer of the house. Of course, I'm the boss. And ito, kasi guys, hindi ko siya out. Kasi this is a crystal glasses. So, minana ko siya sa mga parents ko dito. And those things like this, I'm going to throw away. Those, I'm going to throw away. Some vases, I'm going to keep. And some vases na hindi siya ganun kamahal, I'm going to throw. Because I like throwing things kapag hindi ko na siya kailangan easily. So, for sure, I'm going to throw some. I'm going to declutter some. And I'm thinking what is what. Because some of that are little bit expensive, some of that are nothing, some of that are I bought. So, let me try to think. Ang hirap, diba, pag magla-let go ka ng gamit. But, it needs to be. Kasi gusto ko siyang maging minimalist. And look at this one. Look. Very functionable. Today, kasi, parang maghapon ako sa computer because I have the auditing and I have a responsible as an entrepreneur na magpasa ng expenses and company expenses sa accountant. Well, yes, may accountant kami because we are self-employed. It's required here in the Netherlands. So, guys, yung mga dati kong madali lang to kasi kaya ko namang ditong muna sa aming sofa. So, for sure, I'm gonna throw some those things na hindi ko siya magawa. I think I'm gonna throw these things, of course. This is dead. This is dead. This is dead. Then, some of these I'm gonna throw. Lagyan natin ng ilaw. So, this one, I think I'm going to throw away because this is already sira. Throw away. This salt and pepper organizer, I'm gonna throw away because it's been there forever. I'm gonna throw away. I promise you, everything will be thrown. Oopsie, dahan-dahan. Kasi baka mabasag siya. So obviously, I'm gonna throw some things that I will need. This is from my old Christmas tree. I don't need this anymore. Maybe the vase. Or I don't think so because I don't want na may vase ako na hindi ko ginagamit. So, for throwing din siya. Then, this one, this is an expensive candle, but this is finish. So, I'm gonna throw this one too. I don't want to put things na hindi ko talaga magagamit. Which is A and B. Ito, meron ka niyan. So, I think I'm going to keep it. And also our 18 years old picture needs to be kept. But I don't know where. Maybe I'm gonna buy a box for that. And I don't know if I'm gonna throw this also. I'm not yet sure. I'm gonna ask Bob if we can use it or not. And this one, this is expensive one, but I don't think naitatago namin. I'm gonna ask him to. Not too expensive like much, but it costs you maybe 25 euros for this kind of vase. This is to keep because it's white. All the things that is not white and beige, and it's not to be, needs to be here. I bought it for 4 euros sa King's Day kasi gusto kong ma-appreciate ng mga bata na may bumibili sa kanila. So, I did that. This, I'm gonna, because this is a vintage cup. And I like this China vintage small cup. I think I'm going to keep it, but not in display. Well, these are to keep. So, 6 pieces siya. Na, this is not too expensive, but this is a gift. I don't want to throw a gift, but I'm going to keep it also. But those things, I'm gonna throw. I like a minimalist thing. So this one, this is not also white. So I'm going to keep it also. I'm going to keep those things. Keep this one is expensive, but here I'm gonna display it because it's a little expensive thing. This one is also a vintage, so maybe vintage to vintage. I want to declutter. I'm gonna ask Bob to help me. Yung pinilian ko, siya ganun kadami na. So, I just want to be a minimalist. Ito, magpapaprint ako dyan at so guys, ito for donation. Yan. Yan. Ito, ewan ko pa. I'm not sure. So guys, ayun na nga. The second thing na gagawin ko ay so kasi itong i-empty, honestly. Kasi may balak ako dito. Dito. May balak akong gawin dyan. So, this is crystals. I told you kanina. Paulit-ulit ako, I know. Hindi ko siya pwedeng ibigay because minana ko ngayon. So, kailangan ko lang ilagay yung book doon sa baba nun. Kailangan ko siya i-empty before the end of the month. So, yung vase, hindi ko din pwedeng ipamigay because it's a very special one. I'm thinking. So, eto na nga. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Yung binili namin sa Portugal na portrait. I don't know how to it, but it is art gift. Something like that. And then, this is the artist and the shop, Tanya. Art is a gift that is made in Portugal. Pakita ko sa inyo si Boss Bray ang nakakita nito. This is a very Portugal art. Dito pala yung resibo. And this is not too expensive. Just 35 euros. Look. Very Portugal portrait. Lisboa. Lisbon, but if you call it, this is Lisboa in Portuguese. So, I think kasya naman to dun sa, lalagay naman to sa bedroom. But Bob will going to do that for me, not me. I'm sure he can do that. And then, I need to empty my this one. So, okay. Also, my alam mo, hindi ko talaga let go tong mga unan ko because this is a little, so I need to get rid of that. I need to get rid of this. I need to get rid of this. I need to get rid of this. And para maging minimalist ako, ang magiging maiwan lang dapat ay ito, saka ito. Yan. So, dapat ganito lang siya. To be honest. So, ayun na nga. Actually, dinonate namin yung iba. Sa baba, merong friend kami from the store. Dinonate namin siya. So, eto na siya. Final look. Diba? Mas better for me na ganyan. And then, yung ibang unan, dinonate na din namin. 2 of those. I like some neutral. Ito talaga. Ito na lang. And then this one, malapit na siyang ma-empty. I'm just thinking for things that I need to do. So guys, nakapag documentation ako sa aming business. So, kailangan ko siya ihulog para ma-send ko siya sa aming accountant, which is ginagawa naman namin yun every quarter. Kasi hindi na kami pumupunta sa kanya physically kapag na may babayaran or something. Sinasabi na lang nila sa amin. And then meron kasi akong taong nag-aayos for my documentation. So, malaking tulong yun. And then, auditing na lang ako and editing. So, yeah. Pupunta muna ako sa other street para maghulog ng sulat. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano maghulog ng sulat. So, pero kailangan nyo ng ganito, parang stamp card or stamp sticker. It's post stickers para makapaghulog kayo ng sulat. Ito bali yung bayad nyo. So, dati 1 euro lang isa nito, ngayon nasa 1 euro 25. And I need 5 kasi outside Amsterdam yung accountant namin. Then, may box doon. Hindi na ako sa post office, but may box doon na pwede kong ilagay yung post namin. And, ayun na nga. Tapos nun, punta akong doon sa favorite na drinks ko na healthy. Well, nakita niyo sa vlog yun, sa Joe the Juice. Pero other street siya. So guys, napaka-busy ng street. Nakabili na pala ako ng folder for my mail. Pupunta ako, look at that. Yan, malapit na sa bahay. But, ang daming tao ngayon dito. Super, I don't know why, but I think it's because of the weather is nice. So, papunta ako doon. So, nag-stop lang ako to film, but a lot of people are walking. So, dito ako pumunta sa kabilang side. This is like the street here. Everybody is walking around. Guys, ganito mag send ng post dito. I have post sickles, post stickers, and then naka-envelope na to. Kasi that's a big documentation.
Likely.
Hindi ko siya pwedeng fold. So, kailangan ganito. And then, merong box dito. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya isend. So, as you can see, dito ako mag-send. This is the post box. So, yung isa-send ko is more than 1,000. It's 1021 yung postcode. So, dito. So, I think kakasya naman siya. Yeah. So, ganun dito ng post. And then, pupunta ako sa may marijuana. So, ang daming nagbabike, guys. Kailangan kong tumawid papuntang Joe the Juice. Guys, naglalakad ako ngayon pa other direction kasi yung in-order ko dun sa kabilang Joe the Juice pumunta. So, kukunin ko siya dun. Like, for Fayland. Nakakainis. Kasi ang layo niya, it was 15 minutes walk. And I need to go there just for my juice. So, ayun, nakakainis. So, guys, 18 minutes akong naglalakad. Pero, umuwi muna ako kasi binigay ko kay Bobby yung bag kasi mabigat yung laptop. Nandito ako sa market. Dinaanan ko lang kasi dito talaga yung daan niya. No? Pero, paano na rin sila? Patapos na rin. So, kukunin ko na lang. Guys, I have my Green Miles. This is kiwi. Again, this is my favorite one that I always order. Oh my god, this is 18 minutes walk from the other branch, but it's okay. So now I think I'm going to buy our dinner, but Bob wants only a sandwich, so I'm gonna get and buy a roast beef sandwich thin na, I don't know what do you call that, but it's a roast beef yung parang ham. Okay, it's difficult but to explain, but I'm gonna show you getting them. Guys, kita nyo kung ganong kasaya ngayon ng Amsterdam. Yun ako sa kabila. So, sa kabila, makikita nyo gano'n ka. Super busy ngayon dito. As in, ang init. 20 degrees Celsius. Pero, feeling ko nasa 25. Buti na lang may araw. Yung pila kay Anne Frank tsaka sa Dar, yung pila kay Anne Frank tsaka dun sa food and drinks today is literally super dami. Hi guys, nakapamili na ako ng grocery, which is dapat Thursday to, kaso madami nga kaming ginagawa at late na kaming gumising last Thursday. So, but it's okay. So, dito kapag mamimili ka, kailangan may pass ka. Pass is bad. Well, simulan natin sa this is Volkoren or a green bread. At yung roast beef na sinasabi ko sa inyo, this is for sandwich. Ito yung gagamitin kong bread ngayon, yung pita, for our dinner. Bumili ako ng Trost tomato. Trost tomatenlos. Trost tomato. Kasi gusto kong mag-sarsyado ng fish, which is may fish fillet kami. This is a custard cake. Super nice. Bob's favorite. That's why I bought it. Gusto ko ding so madali. Lagay mo lang siya with bawang, something like that. Ito coating to. So, it means sale. I'm happy kapag may coating. So, ayun yung mga pampansit ko. Tsaka itong sweet coast means repolyo. Kasi, pag bumili naman ako ng malaking repolyo, madami. So, eto naman, convenient, nakahiwa na. And then, ano pa dun sa gusto kong weigh. It's 200 grams. So, this is for Bob. Cranberry. Cranberry. So, meron kaming 2 cucumber. Kasi, gagawa ako ng suka na sawsawan with cucumber kasi magkakaroon kami ng barbecue party by 2 weeks. And then, gusto ko nakababad na yung suka niya. This is for today sa sandwich. Gagawin ko yan. Kale onion or kale means yellow onion. Courting again means sale. Lalagay ko din pa sa sandwich today. Papakita ko sa inyo paano ko gagawin yung sandwich. Para may idea kayo, guys. Okay? I'm not sure. Kaming nok flok sauce or garlic sauce. That is nok flok in Dutch. So, this one, like this. And for sure, masarap na siya. And sriracha, wait. And sriracha. Sriracha ketchup. Actually, hot siya, so Bubble can take it. I can't take it. Bubble. Do this. This is for Bob. So, kuha tayo nito. Ganun lang siyang kadali. Ganun lang yung aming hapunan. Guys, ito yung hapunan namin. Yan. Lalagyan ko lang siya. Ito, leftover to from last night. So, bolognese. So, kain na tayo. So, wala pa pala si Bob na. Plate. This one. See?